Goch & Cooper Auto Services is a 5-star MIWA accredited workshop affiliated with the RMI and all major warranty companies. We specialize in vehicle servicing, repairs, automotive engineering, engine rebuilding, dyna tuning, fault finding and electronic repairs. We offer software upgrades that will enhance your vehicle's power and improve your fuel consumption. Customer service is our highest priority and no work will be done without the customer's consent. We offer a drop-off and collection within a 20-kilometer radius as well as a 24-hour tow-in service. Our highly experienced, friendly staff can sort out your most complex problem and all our work is fully guaranteed. Our sister company, Automotive Forensic Intelligence Solutions, assists the legal and insurance industries in automotive forensic reporting. So for peace of mind and excellent customer service, give us a call today.